So here you can see our IPC configuration, which stands for Industrial PC. Here we have a menu on the left. The first one is a product library. So in this product library, you can store up to thousands of programs. You can create a new program, open or import from the USB flash disk, the 3D file. So after you create a program here, you open it here in programming interface. Here we have parameters like time parameters, position parameters, functions of the machine. And here is the main interface for programming, which is called IPC. Here we set straight distance between bends, the bending angle and the rotation angle. So here we have a simulation of the workpiece which is being programmed. So next one is a manual mode interface. This interface is mainly made to make troubleshooting for the toolings, also for using each part of the machine separately. Next is automatic mode. Here in automatic mode, you basically make your batch production. Also, here we can demonstrate a simulation. This is our 3D simulation of the bending process. So this is how it works, and this workpiece is basically a piece of a chair or a piece of any metal construction. So here we can see clearly the machine and also the workpiece. Here is the menu for status of different signals of the machine, and also here in this menu you switch between the users, operator, debugger, manufacturer, user, and language. We have multiple languages. So this is basically our IPC controller.